We start with a detailed consultation to understand the client's vision and requirements. From there, we develop floor plans in grayscale or color, tailored to their specific preferences. We receive the CAD plans from the client and review them carefully to understand the type and number of unit plans required. Next, we draft the initial 2D floor plans, refining the line work, adding furniture layouts, annotations, and details to ensure clarity. Once the draft was ready, we shared it with the client to gather feedback and ensure alignment with their vision. Client feedback was received, and the necessary revisions were applied to the 2D plans. Updated versions were shared for review, with further refinements made until the client was completely satisfied. The final, client-approved 2D floor plans were refined and prepared for delivery. The final version is now ready to be delivered to the client.